Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. If your screen is flickering, going from dark to light quickly, I'll show you a few things you can try to fix it. First, try adjusting the brightness in the control panel by dragging the brightness slider up and down. Play around with it until the flickering disappears or becomes less noticeable. You can also disable adaptive brightness by going to Settings, then Display, and toggling it off. If that doesn't help, try toggling it on to see if that changes anything. You can also download a screen dimmer app from the Play Store to make your screen darker or brighter beyond the phone's usual limits. Lastly, check for a software update, as a known bug might be fixed in a new update. Open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, click Download and Install, and follow the setup process. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.